The real estate industry is changing at a rapid pace. Billions of dollars are being invested into companies that want to change the way people buy and sell real estate, many of them at discounted rates or without the real estate agent altogether. The question you have to ask yourself is, with all of this change, how do you plan to stay at the center of the real estate transaction in the future? What comes next?
Third-party real estate sites have become the middleman between the buyer, the seller, and the realtor. This has fundamentally altered the way people search for real estate. In turn, we must make a significant change in the way we think about and conduct our business.
It's no secret that there's simply too many inexperienced agents held to zero standards with little to no oversight or guidance. How can we be perceived as a professional industry when the experience for buyers and sellers is so inconsistent? We have to do better.
We believe that real estate's future is about marrying technology and the human connection. It's about balance between automation, local agent knowledge, and guidance.
How do we make technology work for the agent? To help them do more, provide more, and be more professional to help them justify their commission.
Companies who figure that out will win this race. And in many cases, we are already there.
When we started NextHome, our focus was to change the real estate experience, keep our agents at the center of the transaction, and help people find their next home. So we hired the best people, developed a client-centric brand with the world's greatest design firm, instituted minimum marketing and advertising standards that all our agents follow, launched incredible automated technology, partnered with the best brokers and agents in the business, and didn't obsess over our agent count or the size of our company. For us, it's about our people and moving this industry forward, never settling for mediocrity, never looking back, and never forgetting what we actually do as a profession. Come be a part of our journey and see what's next in real estate.